The Pagani Huayra isn't just a car, it's an automotive masterpiece of luxury. Its striking design is a head-turner, captivating everyone on the street. As the car cruises down the bustling boulevard, it exudes a sense of power. The low growl of the engine reverberates, commanding attention effortlessly. Inside, the cabin is a sanctuary of exclusivity, where every detail screams sophistication. Leather seats and carbon fiber accents create a rhythm of luxury, but it's the gear knob that truly steals the show. An artisan's dream worth $20,000. Designed with precision, it's a fusion of art and machinery,